Hey guys, it's Buzzman06 here, and today we are going to review another bus. So here you go in 3, 2, 1. This is bus number 284. Now, I reviewed 293 yesterday, and this is an 04, and 293 is an 04 just like this. So 284 is a 2004 Bluebird TC2000. And this bus is also the first flat nose I'm going to review today. Actually, this is my first ever flat nose I'm going to review ever. So yeah. So we got the warning lights. Here's the front. We got the warning lights. No clearance lights. I didn't make it, so I don't care. Here's the windshield wipers. 284. Big grill. And the headlights. I know they look small. And here's the crossing arm. The original crossing arm got chopped off. Got chopped in half back in June. So this one got a new crossing arm. You'll see soon. And here is the back. Let me fix this real quick. There we go. We got the warning lights, no clearance lights again. Emergency door. I don't really care because I already have clearance lights. There's clearance lights in real life. Here's the door. They got the tail lights, backup light. New license plate, it says 43340 BA, phone number, state law prohibits. Okay, I'm going to read this. State law prohibits school bus from turning right on red, and Bluebird logo. His side. Come on. There we go. I forgot to put the operator tag on here, but oh well. But I don't care. We got the streamer. The streamer looks good on this side. The windows. Stop sign. 284. Emergency door. Lettering. No operator tag on this one, on this side. Stop sign. We got the battery box and the wheels. And a bunch of clearance lights. And a electricity panel. And a fuse panel. And here's the other side. I don't know if you can see this clearly, but we got the windows. Same thing except for the door and the fuel tank. I know this is kind of poor, but oh well, I don't care. Okay, so I'm going to give you some background information about this. This bus is currently my bus. I've ridden this bus last school year, and I like this bus. And this bus is the last model year to have this model year. The 2004 model year is the last model year to have the TCs on them. That's the last model year to have flat noses like this, and then they switched to the All-Americans, and yeah. And after a guy named Pat, he drove this bus until my bus driver drove it. She's currently still driving this bus. She had this bus for about a couple years, I think. Yeah, a couple years. So this is going to be her third year driving this bus since 259 retired back in 2017. due to transmission issues. It also has some door issues, but they fixed that. They fixed the door. They fixed that, but the transmission is the big problem about 259. And this was Pat's bus before he got his other bus, 346, which is all the way down there next to his Vision Buddies. Right next to his group of friends over there. This is kind of frustrating too. Yeah. So, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and peace out.